Hi, so today we're going to be going through the instructions for making an easy fire starter, as you can see here, and this is for Group 6 with members myself, Sean, with Balav, Bethany, and Kyle. And so today we're going to take you through the steps of one of these easy to use fire starters. So first we'll start off by showing you the ingredients. Here we have our cotton balls, which we'll need for our fire starter. We have petroleum jelly. You can use Vaseline or any kind of jelly. We have our lighter for what we actually want to light the fire. And this, for our purposes today, will serve as our container for carrying the fire starters. So this is something that you would ideally use when you're out camping, building some sort of fire. Since we're here on campus, we're not going to build a full-on fire. However, we will still demonstrate the punch that these little fire starters pack. So our first step, as you can see here, is we take our cotton ball, just one of them, and we kind of pull it apart so that we can get more of the jelly distributed across the cotton ball. So let's do that now. We take our cotton ball, and all we do is just spread it out like so. So there's more surface area for us to get the jelly on. Like so. Our second step is we take our jelly and we just spread it across the cotton ball. Probably would want somewhere between a teaspoon and a tablespoon. You don't want to completely douse it, but you don't want there to not be enough either so that your fire can really get going. So we take some of our jelly and we simply spread it all across the cotton ball. Gets a little sticky, but that's expected. But it's worth it in the end. So I'll take a little more. Alright, and our cotton ball is covered with a sufficient amount of petroleum jelly. Next, for step 3, as you can see, we take our cotton ball and reform it, squishing it together and such, maybe rolling it up. And so I'll do that now. I'm gonna try and pack it as closely together as I can. So all that jelly is just all over the outside. For our fourth step, this is after you've made your cotton balls, however many you want, you place these in some sort of container that you can take with you on your camping trip. So today, our container is this plastic box, but for camping it's probably more ideal to use something like a Ziploc bag or a film canister. You just put it in there, close it up, and you take it with you when you're ready to use it. Now once you're out camping, after you've built your fire, you take your cotton ball, probably one should suffice, as you'll see in a moment. So for step 5, you take your cotton ball and you place it strategically underneath your kindling. So every fire is going to have its big logs on the outside. And the Boy Scouts know this. And then on the inside you've got your kindling. And that's just all your little sticks. And you take your cotton ball and you put it in the middle of that. Since we don't have a fire built today, I'm not going to show you what that is. However, we are going to show you how this ball lights. So for step 6, we light our cotton ball. But before we do so, we have a simple warning that yes, fire can burn you, so please be careful as you light this because we don't want you to end up with burnt fingers. If I can get our lighter to cooperate. There it goes. As you see, it lights up nicely, and if you give it just a moment, the fire should kick in. So there it goes. Now these fire starters typically should burn for a few minutes. This one will probably burn for about 5, maybe more, based on the amount of jelly we put on it. And there you can see it's really going out, and you use that to light your fire. So that's our demonstration for today on how to make a simple fire starter and how to use it. Thanks for watching.